Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the Eufy Clean X8 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. Now, the Eufy Clean X8 Pro promises powerful suction and excellent edge cleaning, making it a standout in the crowded robot vacuum market. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design and features. The X8 Pro comes in two variants, with or without a self-empty dock. I've got the self-empty version here, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. No more dealing with dirty bins after each cleaning session. The docking station is sleek and compact, fitting seamlessly into most spaces. Plus, it uses disposable bags for easy maintenance. But what about performance? Well, folks, I'm happy to report that the X8 Pro delivers on its promise. With double the suction power compared to its predecessor, this bad boy tackles dirt and debris with ease. From carpets to hard floors, the X8 Pro leaves no mess behind. And thanks to its smart navigation system, it efficiently cleans every nook and cranny of your home. But here's where things get interesting. While the vacuuming performance is top-notch, the mopping function leaves a bit to be desired. Without agitation, it's better suited for light cleaning rather than tackling stubborn stains. So, if you're looking for deep floor cleaning, you might want to consider other options. However, for everyday maintenance, the X8 Pro gets the job done. In terms of usability, the Eufy Clean X8 Pro shines. With intuitive app controls and voice assistant compatibility, you can easily customize cleaning schedules and preferences to suit your needs. And let's not forget about the noise level. At 66 decibels, it's on par with other robot vacuums, making it suitable for use even when you're at home. So, should you buy the Eufy Clean X8 Pro? If you prioritize powerful vacuuming and efficient edge cleaning, then absolutely. Just keep in mind its limitations when it comes to mopping. Overall, the Eufy Clean X8 Pro earns high marks for its performance, design, and user-friendly features. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. And that wraps up our review of the Eufy Clean X8 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!